We want to explain how to install flooring such as parquet, laminate, or engineered wood. Basically, any type of flooring that uses a click-lock system and is prone to expanding and contracting. What preparatory work was done? A screed was poured, and to achieve the highest possible surface flatness, we also poured a self-leveling compound on top. We will be gluing the parquet directly onto it. There is plaster on the wall. You've probably already noticed that we have prepared a niche. This niche is at least 25 millimeters deep and 100 millimeters high. Of course, it needs to be primed to completely get rid of construction dust. Next, we proceed to laying the parquet. After laying the parquet, we install the shadow profile on top of it. The shadow profile is installed flush with the wall. The parquet extends further behind the shadow profile, creating an overlap, but it does not reach all the way to the wall. As a result, when the parquet expands or contracts, there is enough space for it to breathe freely. It's also necessary to say a few words about the niche itself. Why does it have such large dimensions? The depth of 25 millimeters is made up of the shadow profile's thickness of 15 millimeters, plus 10 millimeters needed to maintain the expansion gap for the parquet. The height is 100 millimeters. We need this so that, when using parquet planks of any width, we can lift and snap them into place if we have a click-lock connection. In the next step of preparing the niche for installing the shadow profile, the parquet must be covered with fabric, underlayment and hardboard. We apply plaster and level it using a template. As a result, we get a niche with precise geometry. This room is now fully prepared for the further installation of the shadow profile. For this, we need to use our template. It has two steps. The lower step initially gives us an understanding of the niche's depth. And this sloped platform is needed so that the layer of plaster applied after the parquet does not touch the parquet itself. Otherwise, the parquet will absorb moisture and swell. Next, we need to prepare the back surface of the niche for the installation of the shadow profile. It must be recessed at an equal distance relative to the plane of the wall. For this, we have this configuration. It forms those crucial millimeters for us. We apply liquid nails to the upper back part of the shadow profile and glue it to the wall. After we have glued the shadow profile, we plaster its upper hidden part. Accordingly, all that's left is to putty and paint,